My Jesus, my Savior, Lord, there is none like you, Lord Almighty. For sure, Jesus Almighty, you are always merciful on my life, and I will always give praise and thanks to you for whichever you have done for me in my life. I know no condition is permanent, but as long as you trust God and believe in Him, all things can be possible. Lord, I'll always continue magnifying your name for being too merciful to me. Together with my family, I will never hesitate to give praise and thanks to you. This is a wonderful place. It's called Tornado Tower. Tornado Tower with 50 floors. And I am always grateful, Lord. Thanks for blessing me in such a way to see that I'm working in such a wonderful place. I, together with my family, who shall always glorify and magnify your name, because you are too faithful to disappoint. No condition is permanent, my dear brethren. As long as you have trust and believe, all things are possible before you. Right now, I am on floor 45. As you can see, even the buildings outside. Qatar, it is an amazing country. So interesting to be in. So lovely. Surely God, you deserve to be magnified. I love my job, and really God, I thank you for blessing me with this job which I'm doing. There is no any job which is bad, but it depends the way how you maintain it. There is no any money which is little, but it depends the way how you utilize it. Therefore, God, I thank you for the salary I'm earning. Others, they may see it as little, but me, I see it as much, because it's making me whom I am. These are wonderful offices. Surely, Qatar Foundation has got very nice offices for their clients, and I thank to be among of them who is maintaining them. And I'm proud of my job, because many, they might need to have such a kind of a job, but it's not easy at all. So for me, who has it, I give thanks to the mighty God. These are the types of the offices I'm dealing in, and I'm doing maintenance of them. As you can see today, it is a Saturday, but you can see even vehicles outside. Very few. That is Qatar. And this is the place where I sit, I personally. This is my office. This is the office of the lawyer of the company. QS Technology. As you can see down, those are the contractors who are dealing in construction. It's too hot outside, but I thank God that I'm not experiencing that temperature outside since I'm working under the AC. I'm always inside. People are suffering outside there with the sun, but why me? Yes, today is date 25 September 2021, and I thank God to be in Qatar, of which I arrived here in Qatar 2019 I mean. And this is the prayer room for the building. Since it is a Muslim, this is their prayer room. And this is the meeting room for the company. With such a wonderful sofas. And this is the reception of the company, where everyone have to register from here first. And that's the entrance. This is the office of the CEO of QS Technologies. They are dealing in solar manufacturing. And this is the biomaterial for solar manufacturing. To God may be the glory. I think you can see this is my work, is to maintain the offices, arrange them, dusting, to make them clean so that the client sits comfortably. This is the office of the assistant administrator. The center Doha, it is surrounded by water. You can see the lake in the middle of water, in the middle of the city. And this is the office of the vice chairman to the CEO, or the vice chairman to the CEO, Chief Executive Officer. these are the materials I admire also to be in my washrooms, or my washroom also to look in the same manner by God's grace. And this is the pantry where I eat food from, or where I prepare my meals from. Yeah, since I told you this company, QS Technologies, they are dealing in solar panels, of which they are making solars plus the bioproduct of making solar. And this is the office of the focal point of QS Technology. This is the office of the one who is dealing in those who are traveling. This is traveling desk. This is the office of the managing service manager. What a wonderful offices, and whom I am. This is the office of the head of support. So, therefore, I would like to say thanks very much for watching. I am Sergendo Henry. I thank God for the care He has put on my life. Really, God has been too faithful to me, and I will always continue thanking Him for the gift of life He has blessed me with, together with my family. God, I will always say thank you for whichever you have done in my life. My people, I love you all, my family. You are a blessing to me. You have made me whom I am. My wife, thanks for being such a wonderful blessing to me, for giving me such a wonderful children. Marina, Michelle, Smith, Medrin, Gaither. Really, I love you all, my children, my wife, my relatives. I thank God for the parents He blessed me with as well. My sisters, I really say thanks for your prayers. I am your brother Henry, doing well with the job, and I know God will continue blessing us as long as we stick on Him, praising His name. I love you all in Jesus' mighty name. My friends, I all love you all in Jesus' mighty name. May you have a blessed day, blessed time. Keep on praying, never lose hope in every situation you are in, because God knows where you are. He created you not to suffer, but all those challenges you pass through, remember, those are testimonies. Testimony comes after the tests. So all those challenges are the tests. God is testing you to see where your faith lies. I love you. Shalom. Bye-bye.